Standard corporate chatbots operate within rigid, predictable patterns. By manipulating the underlying parameters, you can create a persona reacting to your specific writing style. The goal is to move beyond simply using existing AI models and start engineering your own custom interactive companion. You only need a free Character.ai account and a specific concept of how you want your character to behave. Taking control of these settings allows you to customize how the AI processes and generates its personality. To start the configuration, open the platform and click the Create button at the top of the interface. You'll see a choice between Quick Mode and Advanced Mode. Quick Mode uses templates that limit control. Select Advanced Mode for detailed character logic. This exposes variables dictating the character's vocabulary, motivations, and knowledge base. Default settings result in a generic persona. Depth is achieved by manually defining the structural parameters that deviate from the standard model. Begin by assigning a name and an avatar image. These provide the basic identity the AI will reference during the chat. The greeting message serves as the primary data point for the AI's opening state, dictating the initial tone for the entire session. A generic "hello" gives the model no context. A descriptive paragraph outlining an active scene provides immediate narrative data to build upon. When you include physical actions and environmental details in this greeting, the language model adopts those specific constraints as part of its current reality. Establishing a detailed opening scene creates a consistent pattern for the AI to follow, which prevents it from reverting to robotic, helpful assistant dialogue. The definition box acts as the logic center for your character. Here, you program the specific behaviors and speech patterns the AI will prioritize. Use clear, direct statements to define traits. For example, always speaks in short sentences, or avoids technical jargon. This limits the AI's choices to only those that fit the persona. The example dialogue section is the most influential part of training. The model relies on these dialogue samples far more than simple trait lists. Providing specific back-and-forth exchanges gives the AI a concrete template for its sentence structure, rhythm, and word choice. These parameters restrict the generalized language model, forcing it to operate within the specific behavioral boundaries you have set. In the live testing phase, your inputs determine how the AI continues to learn. Avoid single-word responses like "okay" or "cool." Instead, use asterisks to describe your actions or the surrounding environment. This provides the AI with descriptive data to mirror in its next reply. Use the re-roll feature to generate different responses. Swiping shows several logic paths. Selecting the best option trains the session to favor that tone. Iterate until the character's voice matches your intent. If the AI ever begins to repeat itself or ignore your instructions, you can manually reset its focus. Simply use the out-of-character command by bracketing instructions in parentheses. This allows you to communicate directly with the underlying model to adjust behavior without breaking chat immersion. Combining descriptive scene setting, iterative re-rolling, and OOC commands gives you direct influence over the logic and flow of the conversation. You have now successfully configured a custom persona that maintains its specific traits and history throughout a conversation. You can now experiment with advanced features, such as adding a custom voice to your character, or placing multiple personas into a single room to observe how their programmed traits reflect or align. Now that the tools are set up, decide which specific personality traits you want to test first. By utilizing these structural parameters, you can bypass generic AI behaviors to build a tool that responds exactly to your creative requirements.